Okay, today we're moving on to lattice multiplication. So as you can see, I started with what looks like what we did yesterday or the day before, the area model. But in this case, we're going to draw the box and then we're going to cut each box in half. And if you think about it, what we're going to do is the top half of the box is the tens column, the bottom half is the ones column. So you have 64 and you have 23. And now you're just going to multiply the two numbers that meet in the box. So in this case, the 2 and the 6 meet in this box here. So 2 times 6, which is 12. And you see how I put the 1 for the tens in the top and the 2 for the ones in the bottom. Now we have 4 times 8, 2, which is 8. So I have nothing in the tens, 8 in the ones. Now down here we have 3 times 6, 1 in the tens, 18 in the ones, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add up going down. So down like this. So 2 plus nothing is 2. Now I'm going to add up these three. So 8 plus 1 plus 8. So 8 and 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. I'm actually going to put the other one over here. I got to carry it still. So 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, nothing to carry. The last digit right here is just a 1. So my answer becomes this, or 1, 4, 7, 2. All right. So let's go ahead and set up this next one. Again, we're going to make the ones and tens columns by putting that slant. Put down my problem, 52 times 86. So let's start with 8 times 5, which is a 40. 2 times 8, which is 16. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 2 is 12. And again, just add up going down. So 2, 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 0 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus nothing is 4. There's my answer. 4, 4, 7, 2. All right. Go ahead and try to do this one on your own. Now, I will set it up for you, but I want you to take a little bit of time and try to attempt it on your own. We'll start the video back up in just a little bit. Okay, hopefully you finished up. So first thing I'm going to do is I like to start in the far corner. So I do 2 times 9 and go 18. I go 2 times 7 is 14. Move to the bottom. 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 7 is 49. Now, here we go. We're going to add down. So we just have a 9 here. Oh, I'm trying to switch the pen color, but it's not letting me. There we go. All right, we got our 9. 4 plus 4 plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Don't forget to carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Carry the 1 and you get a 2. So your answer is 2,619. All right, and again, I wanted to show you that this works for larger numbers too. So you still do the same thing, and you put your numbers here. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Move to the bottom row. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 4 is 28. All right. So I just have an 8 there. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Throw my 1 there. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry your 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. $10,368. All right, so I can do, and I can always check these using our traditional or turtle head method. So real quick, I'll just check this using our turtle head and go 3 times 4 is 12, carry my 1, 3 times 6 is 18, 19, cross that off, use my collar, lay my egg, 2 times 8 is, or 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 17, boom, lattice multiplication.